So if you get in your car, you start it, and the low battery light on the dash here is showing that battery. That means that your battery, your key and your the battery in your remote needs to be replaced. So this video, I'm going to show you how to replace that battery in this video. So I'm going to show you how to replace that in this video. Alright, so I'm going to catch on from that video showing when the car gets the low battery light on the dashboard. Basically that means that the battery in the control is low, so I'm going to replace it. I'm going to show you guys how to replace it. This will work for MDX and RDX and other models that use the same smart key. So basically what I'm going to do is flip this latch in the back here. Okay, just push this up, pull the key out. This is emergency key. Put that to the side. Then what you're going to be doing is you're going to be popping this piece up like so. So what you do is, I use the spare key or whatever to just pop it up. So just pop this up. Okay, put this to the side. Then this opens up. Okay, it's super easy. You don't have to take it to the dealer to get this done. This is the battery right here. It's a 2032 Panasonic battery. You can purchase these off Amazon. I'm going to put a link down in the video description showing to replace the battery, where to buy it. So then you just take the battery out of the base that it's holding into. Oh, you just pop it out. See, it just popped right out. Then you get the new one. Put the new one back in like so. Slide it in. Push it in. That's it. Take the cover, the rear cover. Just take it. Put it back together. Snap it in. That's it. Okay. Then you get the key fob, the bottom piece, and put it in, and that's it. You replace the battery for your control, and the battery light will no longer come up on the dashboard. And I'm gonna show you guys that the light doesn't come back on the dash and that everything is good to go. All right, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace.